Imagine waking up on a Friday morning, not to an alarm, but to a notification. You've received a $2,500 dividend payment. This isn't a one-time windfall, it's your new normal, a weekly paycheck, not from a job, but from your investments. Dividend investing isn't just for the ultra-rich. You don't need a fortune to start, just a plan and a willingness to take the first step. For years, I believed the only way to earn was to trade time for money. But what if you could build a system that pays you every week, no matter what you're doing? This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich smart, using a strategy that's built wealth for generations. The journey starts small, maybe with just $100. The goal? To buy back your most valuable asset. Your time. Every dollar your investments earn is a dollar you don't have to work for. This guide is your roadmap. We'll break down how to start with a small amount and build a weekly dividend income stream. We'll cover the magic of weekly compounding, automatic reinvestment, and the types of investments that make this possible. No jargon, no complex charts, just a straightforward guide for regular people ready to change their financial lives. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk about building your own weekly paycheck machine. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. The real goal isn't just money, it's freedom. Passive income means you choose how to spend your days, not your boss. Most people trade time for money, but that's a finite game. There are only so many hours in a day. When you invest, your money works for you 24/7. It doesn't get tired or take vacations. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. Your first dividend might buy a gumball, but it's your first taste of freedom. Each payment, no matter how small, is a piece of your time bought back forever. This isn't about a distant dream. It's a gradual process of reclaiming your life, one dividend at a time. As we dive into strategies, remember, every dollar you invest is a vote for your future self. The path takes patience and discipline, but the reward is the freedom to live life on your terms. The weekly dividend strategy is your vehicle, consistent, predictable income that keeps you motivated. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your freedom grow. This is about building a life you control. Let's get started. Everyone's heard of compound interest, but not all compounding is equal. Most investors get paid monthly or quarterly. But what if you could get paid and reinvest every week? Weekly compounding means your money works faster. Instead of 12 chances a year to grow, you get 52. Each week, you reinvest your dividends, buying more shares that generate even more dividends. This rapid cycle creates a powerful feedback loop. Your growth accelerates, and your motivation stays high. The difference may seem small at first, but over years, weekly compounding creates a massive wealth snowball. It's the aggregation of small gains, repeated again and again, that supercharges your returns. By simply optimizing how often you get paid, you put your wealth building on the fast track. It's the easiest way to boost your returns without extra risk. Weekly compounding isn't just a math trick, it's a mindset shift. The more often your money works for you, the faster you reach your goals. Don't settle for slow growth. Make your money work every week. That's the power of weekly compounding. Let's see weekly compounding in action with simple math. Imagine you invest $500 a week in a weekly paying ETF with a 10% annual yield. That's about 0.192% per week. In week 1, you earn 96 cents in dividends. Small, but it's a start. You reinvest that, add another $500 the next week, and now your dividends grow a little more. Fast forward. After a year, you've contributed $26,000, but your account is worth about $27,330, thanks to compounding. Your weekly dividend has grown from under $1 to over $52. The magic. Your growth isn't linear. It's exponential. As your balance grows, so do your dividends, creating a virtuous cycle. The process starts slow, but accelerates as your money works harder for you. This is the engine of wealth creation: consistent investing, automatic reinvestment, and time. Weekly compounding turns small beginnings into significant passive income. Stick with it and watch your income snowball. The key is consistency and patience. That's how you build real wealth. The secret to effortless compounding: the Dividend Reinvestment Plan, or DRIP. A DRIP automatically uses your dividends to buy more shares. No manual work, no temptation to spend. Without it, you might forget to reinvest or spend the cash, costing you thousands over time. Drips ensure every cent is put to work, even buying fractional shares. This robotic consistency is crucial for maximizing compounding. In the early years, growth is slow, but by year 5 or 10, the acceleration is dramatic. The shares you bought with dividends now generate their own dividends, fueling explosive growth. Setting up a drip is simple and essential. Just turn it on in your brokerage account, automate your discipline, and let your wealth build itself. DREP is your set-it-and-forget-it path to financial freedom. Let's get practical. How do you reach $1,000 a week in dividends? Suppose you use an ETF like WKLY with an 8% annual yield. To earn $1,000 a week, $52,000 a year, you'd need a portfolio of $650,000. That's a big number, but you don't get there overnight. Start by investing $500 a week. After 1 year, you'll have over $27,000. After 5 years, over $160,000. Your weekly dividend grows from under $1 to over $245. The first $250 a week takes the longest, but growth accelerates as your capital base expands. Dividends start doing the heavy lifting. Consistency and patience are key. Show up every week, reinvest, and let compounding work. Reaching $1,000 a week isn't a dream. It's a mathematical certainty if you stick to the plan. The journey speeds up as your portfolio grows. Let your money work for you, and watch your income multiply. That's the power of disciplined investing. Hitting $1,000 a week is a huge milestone, but scaling to $10,000 a month is even faster. To earn $10,000 a month, $120,000 a year, at 8% yield, you need about $1.5 million. If you keep contributing $500 a week and reinvesting dividends, you're adding $78,000 a year to your portfolio. At this stage, your dividends outpace your own contributions. Your money is working harder than you are. Growing from $650,000 to $1.5 million takes less time than getting to $650,000. The snowball effect is in full force. At $10,000 a month, you have options. Live off the income, reinvest, or split the difference. Don't be intimidated by big numbers. Focus on the process. Consistent contributions, automatic reinvestment, and time do the heavy lifting. The journey from a few cents to thousands a week is built on patience and discipline. Let compounding do the work. Important disclaimer: this is for informational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are hypothetical examples. Investing carries risks, values can go up or down, and dividends aren't guaranteed. Always do your own research. Check expense ratios, holdings, and performance. Your financial situation is unique. What works for me may not work for you. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider weekly dividend strategies as part of a broader portfolio. Keep learning and consult a licensed professional for personalized advice. Be smart, be safe, and invest for the long term. Ready to start? Technology makes investing easier than ever. You don't need a stockbroker, just a smartphone and a few minutes. Choose a simple, user-friendly app like Robinhood, known for commission-free trading and easy setup. Download the app, link your bank, and deposit your first $100. Search for a weekly paying ETF or any investment you've researched. Buy your first shares, then turn on DRIP in the settings. Congratulations, you're now an investor with your money working for you. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on the next step. The most powerful force is getting started. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, even with $50 or $100. Commit to consistent contributions, no matter how small. This simple habit, repeated over time, is the foundation of financial freedom. Your journey begins now. Take that first step.